Our world is becoming more and more digitized every day. Semiconductors of all sizes are found in virtually everything. Trillions and trillions of tiny microchips relied upon every second, and trillions more being produced and shipped across the globe every year. Today's semiconductor production is a $500 billion industry, and that number is only going up. Having a fast-paced, reliable, and efficient assembly process for these chips is more important than ever, especially when it comes to cooling instrumentation. For instance, large chillers are used to circulate cooling water through equipment like process chambers, UV cure systems, and burn-in machines. These chillers can be costly for manufacturers, with about 30% of the total energy of a facility needed to maintain optimum chiller performance. Having a flow monitoring system is essential in detecting chiller system issues. It can help maximize efficiency by lowering manufacturing costs, helping avoid maintenance issues and thus possible downtime. AW Lake's variable area flow alarms are ideal for monitoring such chiller cooling systems. The VA meters can send alarms of incorrect values when flow rates are above or below a user set parameter. The alarms can send a programmable logic controller to trigger or activate a valve actuator or other controls to correct the issue. This is just another example of how AW Lake's meters and sensors can be applied to virtually any process control and validation involving flow and can help keep systems running at optimum levels. For more information about our lines of products and to see other similar applications, visit our website at aw-lake.com.